Mabuhay! My name is Nariel. I'm 26 years of age, and I am a fur parent of 4 American bullies and 1 Persian cat. My daily routine starts with waking up around 6 a.m. in the morning, that early, to take care of my pets, feeding them, and bringing them to bath. Of course, as a fur parent, I need to make sure that they are well taken care of and provided the right attention they need. After that, I am also a sports enthusiast. These days, I've been investing into physical fitness because I believe that I'm not getting any younger and staying healthy and fit is the most important. Um, I have been playing volleyball and badminton for quite some time now, but just recently I joined a Frisbee international tournament which was held in Boracay, a famous tourist spot or a beach here in the Philippines. I joined a local team forged from different universities here in Davao City, and I was the spirit captain of my own team. And aside from that, in terms of work, I am exposed to different or various fields of work. Last 2018, I was or started my career as a technical support representative for VXI, Comcast clients, and I was with them for 2 years. And right after that, I was transferred to being in an Uber support representative, which is supporting directly Uber drivers and delivery personnel. But because of the pandemic, I have to venture into a work from home setup, which I landed into a medical account, which supported retirees in the US, strategically assessing their financial assets to make sure that they can sustain until when they need it. At the same time, I was also tasked to acquire medical documents for their applications. And after 2 years as well, venturing into property management and real estate, I was hired as a medical or no, as a market development associate with Poplar Homes. I stayed with them for 3 years, more than 3 years. And right after 6 months, I was promoted as a regional manager, which is equivalent to a supervisory role. I handled around 25 to 30 associates in a month, and I was tasked also to monitor their daily performances, our statistics, and close doors. So my main scope of support as well is to offer property management service and leasing service to our potential clients to increase our portfolio. And that's it. I thank you.